Phonics for every child today. Jolly Phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly Phonics, a short good way to teach. Jolly Phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly Phonics for every child today.
Hello parents and children at home. Today we are going to look at the first Jolly Phonics lesson. So hello Inky, how are you? Are you okay? What's the problem? Tell me. So children, Inky is sad because she cannot read. So to read, there is one very important point you need to notice. All words contain letters that make sounds. So I'm going to teach you the first letter sound now. Inky, listen carefully. Remember, to teach a lesson in Jolly Phonics, we are following the 8 basic steps. So I'm going to follow them as we said and teach you the first letter sound. Thank you. So, are you ready for my story? Good. Story, story, children. I know you say what? Story. Story, story. Story, good. So, Sunny and Sidi sees a snake in the grass. What happened? The snake hiss like this and runs away. That's the story. So from this short story, can you give me the sound that the snake produced in the story? Correct. Can you tell me? Lovely. So the sound we hear from the story is sound. Great. So this is sound. This is what? Sound is the sound you hear in the story. So can you now show me the action that snake did in the story? Good. But remember to carve your hand like a snake head and then you go. Can we go together? Okay, 1, 2, go. Again. And again. Very good. So, let us write this letter sound on the board. But remember, when you come to write letter sound are classified into 3 according to their shapes. Do you remember? Good. So you see some letter sound, they have what? Long neck. So to make it fun for you children, we say we consider them as giraffe letter sounds. And some letter sound, you see them with the tail. So we say they are monkey tail letter sound. And some letter sounds, they don't have neck and there's no tail. So when you come to write those giraffe letter sound, you write them on the second blue line and the neck will go to the red or pink line. Are you following? Then monkey tail, you write the letter sound in between the blue line and the tail will come down to the red or pink line. Are you following? And then tortoise letter sound, when you come to write them, you write a tortoise letter sound in between the 2 blue lines. Is that clear? I say in between the 2 blue lines for the tortoise. So this letter sound, is this a giraffe with a long neck, monkey tail, or turtle letter sound? Turtle, great. So because this letter sound is turtle, we are going to write this letter sound on the board in between the 2 blue lines. Here we go. Start from the point. Curve in, curve out. Again, Start from the point, curve in, curve out. Again, start from the point, curve in, curve out. So, I'm going to write this letter sound in the air using magic pencil. For the first time, just look at me and listen. And then the second time, you join me and do it together. Okay? Start from the point, curve in, curve out. Okay, now the second time, can you please join me, children, at home and write this letter sound in the air? Okay? Show me your magic pencil. Take it off. You take your magic pencil up. Okay, let's go. 1, 2. Start from the point, curve in, curve out. Again, start from the point, curve in, curve out. Your elbow, everyone. No, not knee, elbow. Great, good. So we are going to use our elbow and write this letter sound. Do you remember the sound? Yes. S, you are right. So let's go. Okay, let me show you first. And the second time we do together. Okay, start from the point, curve in, curve out. Okay, now join me and do it together. Let's go. 1, 2. Start from the point, curve in, curve out. Great. Now bring out your Jolly Phonics People book. Your Jolly Phonics People book. So this at the middle is what? Formation section. This is where you learn how to write this letter sound. Okay, bring out your People's book, everyone. No. Yes, you are right. So hold your pencil. Are you set to go? So you put your pencil on the starting point. Are you there? Okay, let's go. Start from the point, curve in, curve out. Next one. Are we set? Start from the point, curve in, curve out. So you trace the remaining 3. You go. Do your own. Allow him to do his own. Great. Let me see your own. Very good. So next, this place, you are going to write your own letter sound after tracing. So you write your own. Okay? Can I join you? Okay, start from the point, curve in, curve out. Next one, start from the point, curve in, curve out. Again, start from the point, curve in, curve out. Okay, continue. I'll come around and see. Good. Very good. Thank you. So, now look. What sound is this? S. Very good. So bring out your 2 hands. This is what? Do you remember? Reading instrument. This is what? Reading instrument. Okay, give me this sound. What sound is this? U. S. Lovely. So place it here. Everybody bring out your reading instruments. What sound is this? S. Lovely. So place it on your arm. Let's say it together. S. Again. S. That's very good. When we learn the next letter sound, we place them on our elbow, hand, and then start reading. So children, look at these 4 pictures. Where's your magic pencil? Can you help me touch the first picture? Okay, good. What is the name of this picture? Look at it very well. Sun. You are right. So do you hear sound in sun? Sound in sun? Great. But is it at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? Great. at the beginning. Good. So use your color and color the picture. Good. Lovely. Great. So touch the next picture. What is the name of this picture? It's not ant. Look at it again. Snail. Great. So do you hear sound s in snail? Great. At the beginning again? Yes. So sound at the beginning of the name of the object. Name of this object what? Snail. You also color the picture. Next, touch the next picture. What's the name? Spider. Great. Do you hear s sound in spider? S sound in spider? Good. At the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? Lovely. At the beginning. So you also color the picture. Then, can you touch the last picture for me? Flower. Great. So do you hear sound s in flower? Listen again. Do you hear s sound in flower? No, you are right. So there's no sound s in flower. So what do? You cross it out. You cross it out. Thank you. So I'm going to call out a letter sound and you are going to write. Therefore, bring out your handwriting book. Ready? S. Write it down. S again. S again. Here we come to the end of this lesson. Inky and children at home, I hope you learned something today. So before you go, let us listen to the jolly song of the letter sound we learned today.
The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Thank you and see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye. Bye.
Action! Jolly Phonics for every child today. Jolly Phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly Phonics, a short good way to teach. Jolly Phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly Phonics for every child today. Jolly Phonics for me and you.